example 2 from quadratic equation. Number 1 of it, we have 2 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. In the solution, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then you find the coefficient of x squared here, and the coefficient of x squared here is 4. Coefficient here, it means the number that is close to 4. Then the constant here that we have is 1. Multiply the coefficient of x squared and the constant, that is 4 times 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. Therefore, 4x squared multiplied by 1 is equal to 4x squared. And what about the factors? The factors are two numbers that if you multiply together is going to give you 4, and if you add them together is going to give you 4. What are the numbers? Numbers, if you multiply together, is going to give you 4, and if you add them together is going to give you 4. And the factors are positive 2 and another positive 2. That is positive 2 and positive 2. Come back and rearrange this. How do we rearrange it? We have 4x squared. 4x is no more 4x. It has split to positive 2x plus another positive 2x, then plus the 1. No more putting 4x, because it was this 4x that split to 2x and 2x. Group them in brackets so that we have 4x squared plus 2x, close your bracket, another one plus open bracket, 2x plus 1, close your bracket, here equal to 0, and here as well equal to 0. Therefore, you factorize. Check the brackets. The first bracket here, what is common in the bracket here? You see that there's x here, there's x here. X is common. There's 4 here, there's 2 here, and 2 can go into 4. Therefore, 2 is common and x is common. Then 4x squared divides 2x. Take it this way. 4 divided by 2 is 2. X squared divided by x is x, plus here 2x is already outside the bracket. How many 2x do we have here? It was only one 2x, therefore 1 is remaining. That if you expand this and this, it will give you this, that is 2x plus 2x, it will give you 4x squared plus 2x plus times 1 will give you 2x. Then plus something is common here. Here we have 1 2x, and here we have only 1 1, that is 1 is common. Here we have 2x is remaining in the bracket plus 1, close bracket, equal to 0. Now the two brackets are the same thing. As the brackets are the same, the only thing you do is to pick one of them. You can pick anyone first. We have 2x plus 1, this or this, which is the same, and here again we have 2x plus 1, that is outside the bracket. All of them equal to 0. Then at this level, you either say either 2x plus 1 equal to 0, or you conclude 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, here we have 2x, if you collect like terms, is equal to 0 plus this plus 1 will move to this side, it will turn to negative, negative 1, or this one 2x equal to 0, this plus 1 again will move, turn to negative 1, so that here we have 2x is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1, but 1 minus 0 is 0, but here is 0 minus 1, so it's minus 1, or here we have 2x is equal to 0 minus 1 again is minus 1. The both of them, this x has coefficient which is 2, this x also has coefficient which is 2. Divide all through by 2, so that it will be 2x all over 2 is equal to minus 1 all over 2, or you have 2x all over 2 equal to minus 1 all over 2. When this cancel this, it will remain x is equal to negative 1 all over 2, or here you have, when this cancel this, it will remain x is equal to negative 1 all over 2. You see, the two answers are the same thing. You can conclude also, say, or therefore our x is equal to minus 1 all over 2 twice. You can conclude it this way.